Hi, I'm John from Solo Boss, and I'm going to show you the best tool, pressure washing. So some people wonder, what is the best tool for pressure washing? Is it your surface cleaner? Is it your machine? Is it the hoses? Is it the lance? No. Maybe it's a 12-volt system for cleaning roofs. Oh no. What's this in here? It's a toothbrush. So then we come over here. You got these nasty little critters called mud wasps. Up in there, and a little one up in there. So get in here. Little agitation. Gone, rinse that off. Get up in there. Bang, bang, bang. Good old 12-volt. And gone. A little bit of stain. Spray a little bit of oxalic acid in there, and that'll get rid of that nice and clean. Just remember, if this video was ever helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how to use this toothbrush. Catch us on the next one.